Good evening, family. How's everybody doing today on this Monday? Hopefully everybody's doing wonderfully blessed, had a great day. Most importantly, had a safe day, guys, wherever you guys are at in this beautiful world that we live in. This is your boy. I'm a G. I'm about to drop it like it's hot, baby. I'm about to break you guys off some Doge news. We're going to get into some technicals. We're going to get into some fundamentals. You know what I mean? If that sounds good to you and you're new to my channel, maybe you can help your boy out with the fat thumbs, a comment down below, or even subscribe to the channel, or don't do any of those. I just appreciate your time and you checking my channel out, baby. It's all good in the hood. None of this is ever financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. Nothing more, nothing less. Never take it as financial advice, guys. If you do, well, I don't know what to tell you, man. Anyways, your boy is ready. Are you guys ready to get it? Well, let's do it. All right, guys. Bitcoin is down 3.25%. Ouch. We were at 46,999, guys. Oh, not looking good right now, guys. We have dipped below 48. I don't know, man. We can go all the way down to 45K and test that level there, right, of support, right? It was resistance, and we broke past 45K. You know, some people are calling it to go down to about 44K, but we're just gonna have to play it day by day and see what's going on. All right, enough of Bitcoin. Let's get into Dogecoin. But guys, I will say this: it is crucial and important because Dogecoin basically follows Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin is going down, Dogecoin pretty much goes down with it as well. And when Bitcoin is doing good, Dogecoin does good as well. And some of these articles I'm talking about are getting to technicals as well. So obviously, guys, this is a daily chart, what we're looking at here. Okay, now this red line, guys, is actually not the 100-day moving average. This is the 30-day moving average, guys. 30-day moving average. And it's sitting at 27 cents, guys, right? The 100-day moving average is sitting at 0.26, I think it's 0.2682. Right, excuse me, is where that 100-day moving average is, right? So it's a little bit lower, but I think this one here is more accurate of a level of support. And this is the 30-day moving average, okay, at 27 cents. Now you see that big white line. That is our level of resistance at 30 cents. We have to break past this, and then we got to break past like 32 cents in order to keep pushing up, right? If we want to break all-time highs eventually. But okay, that's what I have for you as far as the charts go. Okay, let's keep it pretty beginner friendly, easy breezy. Now let's get into this article here, right? That talks about we're nowhere to be found, guys. Now it says Dogecoin buyers nowhere to be seen as Dogecoin price dips lower. Now it says Dogecoin has undergone a correction after the break of an important trend line. Buyers have supported price action at the monthly R1 resistance at 27 cents. Price action is fading again, and buyers need to step in. I agree, guys. Now it says Dogecoin is in a bit of a pause mode as buyers have not been able to push prices above 30 cents. And we haven't. We tested it 4 days in a row and got rejected every single time, guys. We need buying pressure. We need people to step in and create buying pressure to break past this 30 cents. It's very crucial. Right now it says after the correction Doge had on August 24th, price action has refrained from paring back those losses with the break of the green ascending trend line. It says price action is going sideways and does not show much sign of improvement as it looks to be stuck between 30 cents to the upside and 27 to the downside. I agree. Now it says there is, however, an essential takeaway from looking at the chart of Doge, and that is that buyers need to step up their game and make trades count. The monthly R1 resistance levels at 27 cents was held for now. As price action starts to fade again, however, buyers will need to create more buying into Doge. Otherwise, the risk is that the R1 resistance levels will not survive the third test. They got a good valid point, guys. Now it says the monthly R1 resistance level will not withstand a third test to the downside. Now it says a break of the R1 resistance level will bring Doge back toward 25 cents. That level will not only be a psychological importance, but additionally the first level of buyers to defend. Buyers will be cautious here, as already on the first test price action broke slightly below this level. It is not excellent technical support. And it says, if that does not do the trick, the next ace up the sleeve of buyers is both the 55-day and the 200-day simple moving average that are hovering just below 25 cents. Expect heavy buying just below 25 cents as buyers will look to get in for a long and push Doge price back towards that R1 resistance level at 27 cents. So basically what he's saying, guys, is if we don't step in, create buying pressure, right? We can dip down to about as low as 25 cents, right, guys? And then people will want to step in, right? Because obviously that's buying the dip. That's a better price, 25 cents than 27, right? So long story short, what he's getting at is we need to create buying pressure to keep pushing Doge up, right, is what they're saying in this article. All right, now let me get into this other technical article here as well, guys. Now it says Dogecoin price forms falling wedge pattern. Will bulls regain 30 cents? Right, I'm telling you guys, this 30 cents, guys, is a very psychological and important key level for us to break through, man, if we want to continue to push up. It says Doge price has fallen nearly 14% over the last week. Doge price has formed a falling wedge. 30-day moving average is acting as support, like I said. Now it says Doge price has fallen short in terms of performance over the last month when compared to the other large cap altcoins. Prices up around 75% since the low of July 20th was set. Many expected Doge price to be well above 30 cents range by now, but an overall indecisive week from the Bitcoin and ETH has left Doge lacking a strong direction. I agree, guys. I thought we would have easily been above 30 cents, more in the mid 30s by now, but because of Bitcoin and Ethereum trading sideways, right? We're in tandem. We're joined at the hip with Bitcoin, guys. Whatever Bitcoin does, Dogecoin does as well, as we can see. Now it says many expected Doge price to be well above 30 cents range by now, but the overall decisive week from Bitcoin and Ethereum has left Doge lacking a strong direction. The hype around the meme coin surely peaked in April and May of this year, and since the majority of these assets have fallen about 50%, many investors are wondering if Doge and other coins in this category can go up another bullish surge. Heck yeah, they can, guys. Even though Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge aren't doing too well, there is so many other coins that are pumping like freaking nuts, pumping like crazy. CeeLo just today is at like 60%. It's Solana hitting all-time highs, right? So the point I'm making is, I'm not listening to that part of what they're saying. You know what I mean? Can other coins hit a bullish surge? They're already doing it, guys. They're doing it already. The large gains experienced over the last year in Doge may be a reason why it's lacking behind many other altcoins. They could possibly be it, guys, because we did go from freaking 1 cent all the way to 74 cents, right, guys? When, over 5,000%. It says since Dogecoin hit its monthly high of 35 cents, price have fallen roughly 20%. The price action seen over the last 2 weeks has led Doge to form a bullish falling wedge pattern. Each time price has touched either trend, it gets rejected to the opposite one. Falling wedges are usually 80% of the time bullish, as a breakout of the upside is needed to activate the pattern. Did you hear that, guys? Now it says, let me read that. It says each time prices touch either trend, it gets rejected on the opposite one. Now it says falling wedges are usually 80% of the time bullish, as a breakout to the upside is needed to activate the pattern. All right, guys, so we obviously need to break past this 30 cents, guys, because we are in a bullish technical right now, this falling wedge. I know it sounds oxymoron-ish, right? Falling wedge, you'd think that would be bearish, right, guys? But we need to push past this 30 cents if we want this bullish technical to help us push to make break all-time highs. Now it says for Doge price to go on another run towards the 30-cent mark, bulls must break over the top trend of the falling wedge and tackle the major resistance found at the 30 cents. If bulls manage to pull this off, Doge will have a shot at hitting the mid-30s. So come on, bulls, come on, guys. And then it shows you right here I was going to draw the falling wedge on my chart, guys, but I just leave it at this one right here. See, guys, and here's the falling wedge. And I agree, guys. So we need the bulls, man. We need buying pressure. I know I've stepped up and bought some, not major enough to make a dent, right? I'm not a whale, but I have bought some, guys. Now it says, based on Bitcoin's performance over the last 2 weeks, we should expect a larger price move to be coming soon. In the case that Bitcoin breaks to the downside, Doge price will likely follow suit. At the time of writing, Doge is trading within a major support zone from 26 to 28. Along with this zone lies the 30-day moving average, which is our support, guys. Doge has held this moving average as support for nearly a month now. If bears assert more control and push Doge price below these two important marks, expect prices to land to the low 20s. All right, guys, you know what I mean? So if we break any lower than that 30-day moving average around the 27 cents, we could push, you know what I mean, like they're saying, to the mid to lower 20s, guys, you know what I mean? But I don't think we would go any lower than 20 cents, right? Because when we dropped down to 19 cents, right, people gobbled it up and bought that dip and shot the price up. We didn't go any lower than 19 cents. So regardless, we can dip all the way down to about 19-20 cents. They are correct there, but I don't see that happening unless Bitcoin, you know what I mean, hits, you know, 35, 40K, then possibly we can. But anyways, all right, guys, enough of the technical article stuff right now. Let's get into this article here real quick. Well, how much time have I spent already? Oh man, 11 minutes. All right, guys. Well, actually, I'll save this for later on. I'll make another video, guys. I don't want to take up too much of your time. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much what I had for you guys today. Hopefully it was informative, insightful, and useful. If it was, maybe you can consider to like and subscribe. Give your boy a fat thumbs up. If not, it's all good in the hood, baby. I just appreciate your time and you checking my channel out. Hopefully it helped, guys. You know what I mean? Come on, bulls. We need that buying pressure, right? Diamond hands, baby. Peace.